Hello everyone, welcome to CLAT IQ. We are back with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about the crash course which is going to be launched by CLAT IQ and हम यहाँ पे आपको क्या provide करने वाले हैं and why you should come to us and trust us basically. So guys, as we all know, CLAT is a very practice based exam, right? It is a very practice oriented exam. If you have practice enough, there are very much chances that you are going to your dream college. Okay, as somebody was taking the exam and actually cracked it, I know what it actually takes and what is the value of true and actual guidance in your preparation. Okay, I gave the exam twice, and the first time I gave it, I could not qualify because I had no guidance at all, and even the guidance which I had was a flawed one. Okay, so having guidance is not enough, having the right guidance is enough for you and your preparation. So for that, CLAT IQ is bringing the crash course for you, where we are going to be providing you syllabus coverage, classes, mock test, 45 mock tests, 30 फुल लेंथ मॉक एंड 15 सेक्शनल टेस्ट. डेली प्रैक्टिस हम आपको करवाने वाले हैं. पर्सनल मेंटरशिप बाय क्लैट NLU एल्यूमनाइज. You are going to be getting, each student is going to be getting a personal mentor who is also going to be a NLU alumni, and you are going to be guided by them. So guys, आपकी प्रिपरेशन में be it your syllabus coverage, be it your मेंटरशिप, बी इट योर, देखो एग्जाम टाइम में, प्रिपरेशन के टाइम में बहुत सारे ऐसे लो फेजेस आते हैं वेयर यू एक्चुअली नीड अ सपोर्ट. ठीक है, एंड आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट दैट इमोशनल सपोर्ट, ठीक है, दैट यू गेट फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स एंड योर फ्रेंड्स. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एक्चुअल मोरल एंड द रियल सपोर्ट, द प्रैक्टिकल वन, which is going to be telling you that ठीक है भाई, even if you are scoring low today and your exam is 1 month away from you, there is a scope for you to actually crack the exam. And that is why I'm telling you, you actually need a good, great actual guidance. So for that, CLAT IQ is launching the crash course that I'm talking about here. If you are a CLAT 2027 aspirant, if you are going to be taking the exam which is in December, this is for you. Enroll yourself with us for these, availing these offers for you, which we have: exam oriented strategy, complete syllabus coverage, expert faculty guidance, NLU alumni, daily practice sets, personal mentorship. As I said, mentorship की बहुत value है guys. It is a very underrated thing in your whole preparation. The better you are being guided, the more you have chances of actually cracking the exam. ठीक है, and exam oriented strategy. ठीक है guys, so for that we are here, CLAT IQ, launching our crash course, which is for 90 days, by the way. I forgot to mention it. This is for 90 days starting from 1st of August. This is not mentioned here in the graphic design here, but I am telling you this is starting from 1st of August for 9. This is going to be carried for 90 days, and हम आपको देने वाले हैं 45 mock tests, where we are going to be giving you 30 full length mock tests, 15 sectional tests, personal guidance, mentorship by NLU alumni, एंड एग्जाम स्ट्रैटेजी. आपको 1-to-1 क्लासेस मिलने वाली है हर सब्जेक्ट की. इंग्लिश, लॉजिकल रीजनिंग, लीगल रीजनिंग, मैथ्स, जीके, हर सब्जेक्ट की आपको पर्सनल 1-to-1 गाइडेंस मिलने वाली है. आपका सिलेबस कवर होने वाला है थ्रू दीज क्लासेस, एंड these mock tests are being provided to you. So guys, for that, please enroll yourself with us and do not miss upon this opportunity, because देखो 30 days is also a short time, I would say, but इससे ज़्यादा अगर तुम लेट करोगे तो बहुत ज़्यादा, it is a very risky thing. If you are going to minimize your preparation and make it even less than 30 days, then it is a very risky thing. I would not suggest you to do that. So it is the right time to enroll yourself. देखो courses तो फिर भी आएंगे. Even after 90 days, you get courses like crack CLAT with us in 1 month. You'll get such courses. But उनमें से रिस्की सबसे कम कौन सा है? स्टार्ट बिफोर, ठीक है, स्टार्ट बिफोर द डेडलाइन। देखो जेनजीज में ना दिस थिंग इज वेरी प्रेवलेंट, डेडलाइन के पहले ही सब कुछ करना है, बट किसी भी कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम में ये चीजें काम नहीं करती है गाइस। कॉम्पिटेटिव एग्जाम्स में यू हैव टू बी वेरी 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 कंसिस्टेंट। गवर्नमेंट एग्जाम्स ले लो आप, these CLAT, NEET, any exam you take, you have to be consistent with your practice, with your preparation. So for that we are here, and 90 days का कोर्स होने वाला है ये, 1 अगस्त से स्टार्ट होने वाला है। If you want to enroll yourself, call on this given number here. You can also visit our center, which is in Gomti Nagar, Lucknow. If you are available in Lucknow, come and visit us, enroll with us, and ace the exam, yaar. That is our main motive. Maximum selection. Ace the exam, go to your dream NLU. Guys, NLU की लाइफ जो है ना वो बहुत अमेजिंग होने वाली है। आगे चल के हम एक वीडियो ऐसी लाने वाले हैं, that life after cracking CLAT, where we are going to be showing you how it looks like after getting into a dream college. So for that, right preparation on the right time is very much required, and as I said, right guidance is something you need the most for your preparation, guys. So enroll yourself. देखो सिलेबस कवर करने की भी बहुत सारे तरीके होते हैं, बट हेयर वी आर गोइंग टू बी, देखो इस पूरे क्रैश कोर्स में माय फेवरेट पार्ट इज द सिलेबस कंप्लीशन थिंग, बिकॉज देखो सिलेबस बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है। I have seen many people suggesting you to go for the UPSC material for GK. You do not have to do all those things because that is not relevant for CLAT. You are going to be sitting for an exam which is going to be testing students who have just completed their 12th. You are not supposed to tell them to go and read UPSC का material. That is a very far-fetched thing. So जो हम आपको syllabus coverage वाला thing provide कराने वाले हैं, there we are not going to be covering syllabus only, बट वी आर ऑल्सो गोइंग टू टेल यू कि क्या चीजें आपको पढ़नी है, क्या चीजें आपको अवॉइड करनी है गाइज। सो एज आई सेड, दिस सिलेबस कंप्लीशन पार्ट इज माय फेवरेट फ्रॉम दिस क्रैश कोर्स। सो फॉर दैट एनरोल योरसेल्फ विद अस एंड किक स्टार्ट योर प्रिपरेशन। एंड एनएलयू जाने के बाद की लाइफ बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होती है गाइज, बहुत ब्यूटीफुल होती है, ठीक है। बिकॉज ऑफ सम रीजंस यू कुड नॉट go to that place, that is another thing, but you can try your 100% from your side, and for that enroll yourself in this crash course. I am repeating this again, starting from 1st of August, 30 mock test full length, 15 sectional test, syllabus completion, mentorship and personal guidance by NLU alumni, and exam oriented strategy. So enroll yourself as soon as possible, and all the very best for your exam, guys.